tell anybody I kiss my chickens.
Hi, I'm Becky May, a chicken keeper in Northern Ontario, where we have snow on the ground for 6 long months. For years, my flock has spent the winters at another farm, but this year they're staying here at the homestead. We finally have winter access, but that means for the next 180 days, I'm traveling from our small town apartment and trudging through the deep snow just to give them fresh water and care. This isn't just a story about homesteading, it's about the struggle to earn that title. It's about the grit required to thrive in Northern Canada. This is a story of passion, dedication, and daily discipline. This is my 75 hard. I'm hoping that this winter, you'll keep us company along the way. Follow along and let's see what it takes.
So it is minus 11 outside. It's minus 20 with the wind chill. And inside the house, with no heating, passively, it is almost 9 degrees. So a 20-degree difference on a partially cloudy day. That's great. Okay, let's go see the birds. Hello. So yesterday we did not come out. Both Thomas and I were not feeling well. We needed to rest. And so I am just filled with all sorts of chicken mom guilt. If you'd like to hop on the comments below and tell me what a bad mother I am, you're welcome to do so. Doing what we can here. Unfortunately, the birds have gone 48 hours without fresh water. Oh my gosh, this snow is getting deep. Okay. But luckily they have their snow. So hopefully everyone is doing okay. I can hear everyone squawking away in there. Oh my God, I forgot my backpack. I didn't bring the treats. Oh well. I have to go all the way back to the car. Hi everybody. Hi guys. Hello. Yes. Yes, hi. Good morning everyone. Hi Maggie. Hi buddy guy. Hi baby girl. Hi Barb. Hi, Toxie. Hi, Mr. Feets. Hello, Mr. Feets. Hi. Hi, Mama Boots. Hi, Princess. Oh, Princess, you're so pretty. All right. Let's do the most important thing. We'll get you your water, and then I'm afraid I have to go back to the car. 200 meters, 1.5 football fields, each way to go get your treats, and then come back. What a bummer. So grateful for kids. So grateful for kids. Okay, so you can see here, they ate all that snow. That was filled with snow. So the snow is coming in handy. It's time for treats. Oh, Maggie, you're gonna fall right out of the coop. We've got some bread, some seeds, there's some veggie scraps, and a bit of old rice in there. So let's have at it. Okay? Treat, 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 treat. Treat, 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 treat. Treat, treat, treat. Let me through. Let me through. Oh. Sweet potato peelings. Let me know what you think. There's controversy. Some people say you shouldn't, but I do. So let me know what you think about that. There you go. You're a nice boy. Are we snuggling? Are we snuggling? You like that? Oh, so icy. Don't tell anybody I kiss my chickens. I just can't help it. You're being a very nice boy right now. Yeah, you are. We've got a Tuxie egg, a Maggie egg, and a Tuxie egg. They've been here for a couple days. They must be somewhat frozen, but they haven't frozen to the point of cracking. So that is a bonus. They're nice and clean and ready to eat. You're being a good boy. That's nice. And you're being a good girl. That's nice too. Baby girl and Tuxie were fighting constantly, and now they seem to be getting along great. So that's very sweet. Baby girl was challenging some of the older ladies earlier, and they were putting her in her place, making sure she knows where she stands in the pecking order. As usual, we're having a little huddle party. Got a little huddle puddle over here, keeping warm. Looking good, girls, looking good. Nice work staying warm and staying alive. You gonna do some singing? What a perfect way to end our visit. Go for it, sir. Very nice. Thanks for visiting, everybody. Subscribe and come back again. Thanks. Bye.